Before we get started, check out the description to find out how you can win a Nano Ledger S worth $150. When we pay less attention to the obstacles and downsides surrounding Cardano, it becomes obvious that the cryptocurrency is burgeoning with ideas and technological stacks. Cardano has the potential of creating sustainable wealth for investors. It is quite appalling that there are still crypto portfolios that are missing this big thing called Cardano ADA. And let's see why owning just 1,000 Cardano ADA will change your life forever. After a decade, cryptocurrencies and crypto projects have become increasingly magnificent. There are several blockchains with wide applications that present the market as a stunning piece to be visited by end users. Generally, cryptocurrency value can be volatile when compared to more established currencies and commodities. This can be attributed to its relatively small market size, and it implies that a smaller amount of money can move cryptocurrency prices more significantly. The stories about people making millions during a crypto upswing makes the headlines frequently, but also stories of people who lose everything during the downswings. Like any market, the value of cryptocurrencies fluctuates based on the perception of their value at any given time. These fluctuations may be rooted in some of the supply and demand factors, or may be a result of hidden market factors. As a crypto investor, how do you perceive the third generation cryptocurrency Cardano ADA? There have been several high potential cryptocurrencies and blockchain networks making waves in the industry, one of which is Cardano. As a blockchain network with smart contract functionality, Cardano shares striking similarities to the popular Ethereum. Ethereum, of course, is one of the most significant step up from blockchain networks like Bitcoin. But while the ideas behind Ethereum have been game-changing, much like Bitcoin, because it was a first blockchain network of its kind, it has some drawbacks, which have allowed many competitors, including Cardano, to threaten Ethereum's dominance. One of the biggest issues with Ethereum is that while its technology was great when it was first created, it is not very scalable. However, Cardano from the outset was created to be a lot more scalable. The Cardano network has the potential to be much faster because it has two layers. By implementing a settlement layer and a computational layer, Cardano ensures unrestricted scalability and quick transactions. Ultimately, this potential has led many more transactions per second, thus allowing cheaper transaction fees, which is why investors think Cardano has so much of a chance to continue skyrocketing. If 1,000 Cardano investment is going to offer you life-changing wealth, it has to prove that it can offer better gains than Ethereum in the long run. It could also end up flipping Ethereum out of its position. Cardano is certainly one of the highest potential cryptocurrency investments you can make today. However, it is not the only competitor vying to take the top spot from Ethereum. If you're searching for a long-term investment that will offer you life-changing wealth, Cardano is definitely worth a consideration. Cardano, like many other cryptocurrencies in this market, is also competing to have many people accept and use it and grow its value. And when investing, you expect that the digital currency or currencies are going to grow in value and make you some money. Cardano stands the chance of reaching $1 trillion market capitalization. Whether or not Cardano will become $1 trillion depends on the previous metrics and time. Looking at the history of this coin, ADA's all-time lows were recorded on October 1st, 2017. The coin's price at that time was 17 thousandths of a dollar. So, is there hope for this? Well, the ADA coin is yet to gain widespread popularity, but analysts regard it as one of the best coins to hold at the moment. With one of the fastest blockchains using minimal energy, hence being friendly to the environment, Cardano is gradually getting recognition from major institutions. With use cases and with future planned collaborations and developments, there is a very high possibility that the value of this coin will go up, increasing its market capitalization to $1 trillion by 2025. Also, Cardano still has some upgrades it is planning in the next few years to improve its protocol. If all of these upgrades become successful, then the value of this cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization can rise significantly. In an interview, the founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, explained why he believes Cardano is set for $1 trillion market cap. One of the major distinguishing factors of Cardano's development approach is the emphasis on research. There was a new crop of what Hoskinson called science coins, such as Algorand, Ava, and Starkware, where Cardano was first starting. Back then, this approach was radically unorthodox. Till now, most people criticize the approach as being too academically dependent and slow. However, Hoskinson believes that it will allow Cardano to shine in the future. So my whole argument for academic rigor is not just about today, it's about tomorrow in two different respects. It's about tomorrow that we can get protocols that can scale to billions of users, and there are no protocols in the world that right now allow us to do that. So they have to be designed. And then 2, who will come up with the protocols 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now? Are we always going to have this genius founder around? No, he said. The Cardano founder believes that crypto industry will see more unhindered growth, and if all other factors about it align, Cardano will be positioned to benefit from it the most. Furthermore, the delay in Ethereum merge could be a good chance for Cardano to build some momentum and scale above it. Ethereum is indeed in the process of huge upgrades to make it more scalable, sustainable, and secure. The second biggest cryptocurrency was the first to introduce the important smart contract functionality that allowed developers to build other applications and cryptos on its network, but it is still struggling with high gas fees and network congestion. The Ethereum merge stirred a lot of excitement, but it has failed to launch for a long time now. Ethereum is by far the biggest cryptocurrency in terms of the number of applications built on its network and the amount of money on the platform. However, it has lost a lot of market share in the past year as both investors and developers look to its cheaper and less congested competitors. This will continue to be the situation if the merge is not released soon. In fact, 2 months ago, the Ethereum core development team had a meeting regarding the difficulty bomb, which is a key catalyst in the long-anticipated the merge. They proposed to delay the difficulty bomb to August. This was the 6th time that the bomb has been delayed since 2017. After many broken promises about the moment of transition to proof of stake, veteran Ethereum developer Preston Van Loon shared that the merge looks like it will start in August if everything goes according to plan. Ethereum is gradually losing its strings, which will be a massive opportunity for Cardano to shine. Well, Cardano has not had a rosy journey as well. When it was first announced, it was reported to be a multi-chain network, which that in itself was a significant development. But several competitors have multiple chains, and Cardano continues to face stiff competition. It was also one of the worst hit assets in the most recent crypto crash. To call Cardano a slow burn would be an understatement. The blockchain has taken a couple of years for its first smart contracts, even though it was earlier concluded that it would live up to seeing them. When they eventually did, they appeared to be buggy. Well, the good news is that over the years, Cardano has learned a lot from its mistakes, and is working hard to be an investment that is worth your time. Cardano is worth it all of your attention when it comes to investing in the crypto market. It has a long journey in front of it, and it is barely halfway to its true potential in terms of price, use case, and value. So many people have criticized Cardano, and they are mostly the category of people who have not come to appreciate its slow but steady development. Some of them have lost serious money or are resentful that the community and Charles Hoskinson do nothing to help pump the price. Amid the negative sentiments about Cardano, Charles Hoskinson has assured investors that they will soon become millionaires. He is quite serious about his claim, but he seems more interested in exploring the utility and future possibilities of Cardano. But many investors just want to skip straight to the bottom line. They see their investment as a money grab opportunity, but there is more to Cardano than the gains that it can give. But what are your thoughts on this? Well, let us have them in the comment section below. As always, we'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.